Alright, what's going on everybody? For today's video, we're going to be going over the Ancel Battery Tester. So this was sent out to me to go ahead and test and review. So that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and do. Here is what it looks like. Pretty small and handy. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what goes on. Coming right out of the box. Like I said, pretty small. Here's your actual device. Positive, negative terminals. Has a, I believe this is probably our charger, low USB with the adapter. And then a set of user manual. And on the back side of the box, it also talks about all of its functions and what you can and can't do. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and pop open the trunk, because as you guys know, I relocated the battery from the hood over to the trunk. Just a better overall view of it. Pretty handy little device. Battery tester. And once again, you can pause the video if you need to, but you can see all of its different features and functions. And as always, I'm going to drop the link to this in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and pick one up if you need to. And I've really been needing one of these because the battery has been dying. I mean, I did replace the battery, so I haven't had any problems with this one, but the one prior, this would have saved me some trips to AutoZone. But yeah, so now I do have one, and I can definitely help navigate the battery issues in the future. So now that we're back here with the battery, I've already read some of the instructions and got a good quick hand reference on how to do this for you. So first off, when you go ahead and plug in your adapter, you always want to go positive first and then your negative. So those are just hooked up to each respective terminal. Now there's a couple of things you're going to need to know. And the first one, which actually I'll just go through it with you live. So this is the first thing that's going to pop up, right? So you don't need to be hooked into anything. This is using the battery itself to power this thing. So you can do a quick test. You can hit enter. So that AH value, that's going to be marked up on your battery itself. So for mine, it was technically a 44 AH, and these only went in 5 increments. You can toggle up and down to find the value you need. So I'm going to stick with 45 because mine is a 44. Where is it at? It's on this white tab right here. Right there, sorry, it's like upside down, but AH crosses over to 44, and that's what we need there. So once again, it's on 45. We'll hit enter, and it's automatically going to go ahead and start testing for you. I have a good healthy battery. It can be charged, but I think a lot of it just because the lights and stuff have been running since filming and whatnot. So looks like a good battery. So another option we can do in here, hit exit, battery in vehicle test. We can do a battery test again just to see. So you can turn on the headlights, let it drain for 10 seconds. Go ahead and do this real fast. 1, 2, 3 Mississippi, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and man, it is hot out here in Florida. 10 seconds. Go ahead and shut that off. Come back over here. I think from here, now you're just gonna go ahead and hit enter. And this is a AGM spiral. Again, you'll find that on your actual battery itself. If not, you can look up the battery online and see what it is. Now, I'm not too sure what the input is. We'll keep it standard. Yep, about the same information as we had with that quick test up above. So, I mean, you can get a lot more information off of this stuff. There's a whole bunch of different tables on here that you can read out, your crank power and all of that. So if you guys have anything to do with a battery or have any battery issues, I definitely recommend picking these up. So it also has that USB adapter. You can plug this into a laptop computer and you can print out all of your findings, your handy dandy findings. But for the price that this is, you really can't go wrong. Not bad to have in your shop, your garage or whatnot. So yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? If you want to see something more in depth, me do another test on here to see how it works, lay a comment down below and I can definitely do that. It's just super hot in the garage right now and I'm trying to get out of here. But yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with this. Like I said, I don't have any battery issues right now, but this would have been a lifesaver if I had this about like 2 months ago. But yeah, to unplug, reverse order, go ahead, take off your negative. See how it kind of turns off. Power supplied by that battery. But yeah, pretty good, not gonna lie. This would definitely be a good asset for a good old handy dandy toolbox. Alright, so that's basically going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys got some type of information out there. Now if you have a battery issue or anything like that, I highly recommend go ahead and pick yourself up one of these. Once again, I'll lay it down in the description box below. Yeah, Ancel, pretty good product. I was able to learn everything on the fly, pretty user friendly, and you can print out the reports and everything like that. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, another type of test you want to see me do, lay it down in the comment section. I'll either answer the question or try to film something for you guys. But other than that, yeah, big huge shout out to Chris from Ancel or Ancel. Don't know exactly how you say that, but thanks for the opportunity. And yeah, without further ado, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.